This is a review of the cleaning performance of the Dreame X50 and L50 for hard floor and carpet cleaning. Both robots performed identically in my tests. Both the X50 and the L50 feature Dreame's new dual roller design, with one roller equipped only with rubber fins, while the other also features bristles. For testing the carpet cleaning performance, I simulate real-life conditions by using certified test dust and many cleaning passes. The test dust is also used by testing institutes and simulates household dust. For my standardized test, I use 3 different types of carpet. First, a red carpet with a very dense 2 cm long pile onto which 10 grams of test dust are applied and then embedded as shown. Then a carpet with a very soft 2 cm long pile which was also soiled with 10 grams of test dust as described above. Finally, I test a dirt mat, which is soiled with only 5 grams of the test dust, but is also tested with a spot-on soiling of 10 grams of bird sand. The test was done with the maximum suction level selectable. Also, carpet boost is enabled if available, since some models can boost even higher as the maximum selectable suction. With the exception of the red carpet, all carpets were cleaned in a checkerboard pattern, that is with horizontal and vertical lines. The red carpet was only cleaned in horizontal lines because the pile has a cleaning direction, and cleaning with vertical lines negatively impacts cleaning performance with this type of dirt. It was weighed after 7 and 14 cleaning strokes. The dirt mat test ended after 7 cleaning strokes, as I believe this type of carpet is manually cleaned more often. All tests were performed 3 times. The middle result is shown. However, due to the test design, all 3 runs usually show the same result. As we can see, the L50 and X50 perform considerably worse than the X40 when cleaning the dark blue carpet with its soft pile. Regardless of the main brush used, the X40 was able to vacuum up 61% of the test dust, while the L50 and X50 only managed 50%. A first indication that one shouldn't put much stock in pure Pascal figures. Dreame rates the L50 at 19,500 pascals and the X50 at 20,000 pascals, while the X40 is rated at 12,000 pascals. The new main brushes and the redesigned cleaning head certainly also contribute to the poorer results. We also see the same trend when cleaning the red carpet with its dense pile. Here, the L50 and X50 were only able to confirm the poor result of the X40 with the tri-cut brush. Neither robot saw any further improvement in these test runs after 7 cleaning passes. Both results were only 28%. The X40 with the standard rubber brush achieved a slightly better result, as the rubber brush has a better pile separation and agitation, and thus loosen the test dust so that the existing suction power can absorb it. However, the achieved result of 39% isn't really good either, as we'll see later. The test results for dust removal from the dirt mat also show that the L50 and X50 generally do not match the performance of the X40. Here, the X40 achieved 80% with the tri-cut brush and 74% with the standard rubber brush. This again demonstrates the advantage of the tri-cut brush bristles. The L50 and X50 only achieved a result of 68%. The results for the bird sand are almost identical at 96% and 95% respectively. These results are good. There are robots that perform significantly worse here and don't even reach the 90% threshold, but there are also robots that achieve 100%. We'll look at these results shortly. If we then compare the results with other competitors, we see how average the carpet cleaning performance is. The X50 doesn't stand a chance against good cleaning competitors from AEG or Dyson, and also compared to the iRobot Roomba S9, which is still the current benchmark for cleaning performance at iRobot, the Dreame devices fall significantly short. However, poor cleaning competitors from Roborock, such as the Saros 10R, can be partially beaten. So, if you're looking for a robot vacuum that offers more than just surface cleaning of carpets, it's best to avoid buying one of the Dreame devices. For more manufacturer-related results, watch some of my other testing videos. Last but not least, we come to the hard floor test. Here too, I use special certified test dust that simulates typical hard floor and grout dust. An amount of 0.45 gram of test dust is applied, and the robots are allowed to clean the area 8 times at the maximum suction level. After these 8 cleaning passes, the surface is checked with a microfiber cloth. For robots with a mopping function, if the surface is not clean, a double cleaning is performed in mopping mode only. A medium water setting is used if possible. Since the tested Dreame devices have an internal water tank, the medium water setting was used with standard overlapping. After a drying phase of 10 minutes, the surface is checked again, and the grout lines are also checked. The observed dust removal performance of my tested laminate floor is rather poor, but also the same as what we've seen with other combo robots like Roborock Saros 10R or Z70, also with the iRobot Roomba 505 combo. Unfortunately, this has little to do with vacuuming, and as we've seen, the mopping function only helps to a limited extent in removing the dust. Some vacuum-only robots are capable of completely removing the dust in this test, depending on the model. But more on that in one of the next videos. That's all.